A user profile management system helps IT to execute this duty by centralizing important profile information and providing it to users as needed. It is a system that allows companies to manage their user profiles, from initial registration to ongoing updates and access control. User profiles can either be anonymous or personal. Anonymous profiles typically require minimal information from users, such as age and gender, while personal profiles may require more detailed information, such as contact details and payment information. The three components of a user profile are the username, the password, and the email address. User access management is a vital part of any organization's security strategy. It serves as the first line of defense against unauthorized access to sensitive company data and resources. It allows organizations to control who has access to what, when, and how. This helps protect against malicious attacks, data breaches, and other security risks.